Kwekuqala nje ngithanda kubonga kakhulu CEO Regional Football Association ku Sibebe Resort. How befitting it is ukuthi the son of the soul bakhona la eMzimba. They saw it fit ukuthi to uplift i-community yala Mzimba. This is great. Actually ngiyabona nje nawe emathima asemzimba ayaqala ukuyopresentela ehotela lelihle kangaka kunemanga yini siyaqala we have never had such a thing but to get through lihlahlandlela lelingumhlonisha who like Ashito director we Sibebe open up a platform lenjengalena ukuthi uyatinaba abantwana basekhaya we can uplift them by sponsoring, and indeed the sponsor, like chairman has said, it added value to what they were doing eMzimba. Hence team Apocalypto lebengema champions, we congratulate you. Ikhombisile kuma playoffs belukuni le team lena kuyila abathi nami ngiyayitama ngesibuyeni eyu yazishaya ngabona ukuthi no laba vele like number 1 up to number 4 they could qualify for Kuyaga Super League. Mzimba League is never the same like before. It has changed altogether. So when we started this journey, some they couldn't understand what were we doing, mama. But I think now the fruits are evident to everyone. We would see what are we doing. And football is becoming a business. Football is becoming a business. I can report now we good team. Na World Cup ledlalago. Bonke labadlali beslang laba participateile kuma qualifier. Each player lo wadlala that day, he's getting $2,000 for loyal 90 minutes. Imagine if your club had about 6 players or 5 players. Ngabekisa njenge Leopards. I think they had 4 goalkeeper. I think there's Sangweni. I can't remember the others. They were about 4. And they have played about, how many games? About 10 games or so. So it's 2,000 times 10, times maybe labadal bebang 5, and they were featuring all of them. Can you imagine how much is that? US dollars. You can imagine that. So now it's no more just now it has become a business. And so to partner with companies like Sibebe Resort at this grassroots level, you can imagine because when that player plays for the national team, you will say, wow, it's a Sibebe product. So begunene ngiloko nje lesingakusho ukuthi eBholeni vele we need more companies atosibambisa. I'm happy babe Thombeni ukuthi you are very observant. Yes, emateam there's still a lot that is needed by them, like matches etwayawaba intintfo lesititsingile vele kuze kuthi lama teams nasilandza labantwana le emakhaya mabafika la eteamini, they must find a conducive environment le tauba protector, hone their skills to be the international athlete. So we need these clubs where we back up with education, with equipment, and all necessary things we would see they are projected, we would see they will be. a good environment for developing a star player. So sibonga kakhulu nje ku-partnerisha with such teams. And isibonge ke vele Mhlonishwa lokho ukuthi usibambise kakhulu to see this league iba khona endleni letinje. Uyabona nje uma wendela mina I didn't know ukuthi sibebe sokhule kangaka. Ngibe nenhlanhla ngaye Indonesia. Kukhona indzawo lekuthiwa kuseBali. Hey nangena ngale I thought I was in Bali. The last time I came here, it was immediately maybe after launching. I think bekusakhiwa ngale. I was really impressed where we were. It's a very nice place. I can attest. Mina ke vele bekunene sengaba iambassador yaSibebe. Uyathi ke umntwana enkosi. Ngeke ngaletha nje baka health khona lana. Ngathi abethe nose ngathi babathe ngathi sizoendele eSibebe. Lokhu ngikhuluma nje kunalelinye ijale ngilikhanze ngale. Lithi hey comfort ngayiva ngawe lenzaba se-theater ukuthi hey eSibebe it's a beautiful place ungale nefamily yakhe. Lekusho ukuthi vele siyasebenza. So let us asikulungiseni letinto sikhulume ngalo Sibebe and see a benefit naye from sponsoring us. Sibe ngema ambassadors. That will make us ngivile nje bathi this tournament has to be big and better. Nithi ke lana usekushoda Rafael, sekushoda na media officer. Lokusho ukuthi sitawubuka ukuthi senda njani. So kutawuba ngani ukuthi how much do you advertise this place? Sevana Mos and make it better. Sibonge nje kakhulu sitawubonga ku competitions committee for running this tournament ibe seamless up until its latter. Sibonge ma directors ema teams. Ukuthi I know ukuthi football kuba na that moment tile tishisa tinto ubuke Rafael ukuthi akendi kahle ungathi kuhluleka labana bova uma how much more gethi neseat eva so bekunene kubeketelelana nje as sidlalisa lama games kuba khona emaphutha ngaba sasibo bantu nase singasende emaphutha but nje kufuna sibeketelelana kuyehluphe ngalesikhathi leliphutha libese seliba habitual towards maybe one team kuyekubese kuhlupha lokho but nje liphutha kufuna silibuke and simncestele Rafael uthi sorry ref for that ngilenye indlela ekwina Rafael ngake ngaba ngiRafael team lebe ingihlupha nje beyithi noma imsikiti le kube ifoul sayibona manje njalo so now ngwina then I soften myself kuletinye tino noma nami ngingumuntu angithi so siyabonga nje kakhulu kuloko ukuthi you directors asikeva umsindo asikeva anything and sibonge ke kakhulu nekubeta indzaba ngathi sekune online platform yalakhaya ngathi buya lakhaya ngiva bathi ranishwa ngilagama ngathi ke bakagama bakhona la ngeni bathi yini eDustin hey I'm happy you know there is one thing which I liked but there was one team I think it's Bluebirds they were having their annual party babonga nje badlali babo and the like and why coverage ngayibona lapha ephela that's a very good thing clubs let us do that and sibabonge and involve the parents and bekunene siba involve nalabo babe bo chief lesikhungelwe kibo ule team uyibike emphakathini so that it gets the support yemango tawukhanza sebathi hey nidlalaphi naleli ground na indzawo bekunene ayikhuli but sine bantu siyanza so le team wena na uyibika le kubo babe tikhulu utsuke utakhela ligama lelihle and ufuna uthole isupport kulomango utawukhanza so uthola ijezi nemakhokho because uyibikele emphakathini thina youth sibancane lemphakathini asiveleni basisiyati i-structure nje se-administration structure semango nje se-community bekunene siyihloniphe lemphakathi ngiyona letasi sita hayi ukuthi sengipoliticize ibhola but that is another structure which can support football because umhlaba ngeke siyidlalele anyway umhlaba ukubobabe likhulu nenkundla ke kunetimali lapha enkundleni tisecitsisaka if sine siyi-community ake ngithi ngidawukhuluma ngale apocalypto sesihlangene sesakha i-cooperatives khona la angithi a club so kukhanza kwekuthi kudi imisebenzi inyana so kukhanza ukuthi la ma-supporters sesende info letside kunabo rural development fund kuba lula because nine seniyi-club kuba lula lokwakha i-cooperative seniyakwati ukuhlangana so kukhanza ukuthi labanye sebakhe emakhowe nangusibebe i-breakfast yakhiwa ngemakhowe kunesuphu la yakhako Lwizilandi yakhiwa ngemakhowe seyimarket khona lana lento leyo so nje lento kubese kuba lichungechunge sibonge kakhulu the media houses for covering us siyababona boMasilela ngimbonile naGwebu nabo eDustin sibonga kakhulu because now vele sekuna that digital marketing so please continue to market us continue to market our teams kunema courses ke mabhalane I think isoyifakile isekhula kini ma teams bo CC it's about marketing now sesidlulile sesifuna kenyalo into le taw sustain the clubs akufuneki nje boba bimagagula basibuke ngelimajezi lawo habile funathi naye sidle simupha noma info letsite naye yale team sibonge nje ukuthi uyasponsorisha info lenhle siyayibona info le kanjalo those things it has to come we have to generate money from within ourselves and beyond cishe nguloko nje sibonge congratulate bonke laba participate kule midlalo le nalabo ke labatowina we congratulate bonke labantu labo and sibonge kakhulu labende nje lomsebenzi wanamuhla ukuthi ube imphumelelo into lenhle leyo asikuthathela iphansi into yokuqala nje kufuna ukwati uorganize ibirthday yakho before ukuthi ungabe soyo organize into yesive so uma sisendweni nje lenje uyabona ukuthi here it's well organized and the like sibonge kakhulu laba participateile thank you